find the thing. Seeds. Bloody seeds. Don't need the seeds. Oh, I forgot. Still making lots of alternative fuel. And I need to charge my drill. Doesn't last very long, does it? I wonder if there's an upgrade. Okay. Down the hatch. There's an angry bird. Oh! See what I did there. Okay, so we should be okay for that then. Alright. No, we're not okay for that. We need more. I have no wood. Why do I have no wood? Why would there be wood in there? Let's go chop down some trees. Where's my chainsaw? There we go. Nice. Power is not an issue at the minute. Good. We like the fact that it's not an issue at the minute. In we go. Ding. Ding. Charged. Alright, I need iron ingot, gold ingot, and some cobble. And wood. Deep da bop beep bop 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 the dee boo bop da dee bop 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 da bop ba skibidi bop bop ba Scat man. We've got ourselves a diamond pickaxe. Okay, so next we need to make all these gears into stone gears. Okay, and then we need 5 iron gears. Iron gears, please. Iron. Iron. Well, I'll be a son of a bacteria. 20. That's sod it. Let's just make more. Yep, that'll do. Back over to the crafting bench. Iron, iron, iron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making another quarry, cause the last one broke. Hang on. Quarry is a piece of redstone. 7. I need 7. I've only got 5. Right, let's get our gold on. That's plenty there. And then we're going to need to make a lot of diamond gears. Is it one? Might be one diamond gear. Two diamond gears. Sugar. So we need a lot more diamonds. We've already got we've already got a diamond in there. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Fantastic. And the tin into the macerator. Okay. As a thought, how do you make a combustion engine? We'll do that next, while we're waiting for this freaking quarry. Combustion. Iron ingots and iron gears. So we need a lot of iron as well. Iron. In my basement. My bloody basement. Full of crap and stuff. And then there's a chest. And it's got stuff in it. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Let's stick some more lamps down. Doop. 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 And if I remember rightly, generators need to go in here. Glass dust generators. Generators. In you go. And we'll stick the glass in there. Okay then. So we need some more iron though, don't we? Yeah. Down. Thank you. Iron, I need some iron. Right, iron. You can have that back. What do I need for the combustion engine again? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. That'll be enough then. And yep, same old story. Making the gears. And boom. Ah, shit, I need a piece of glass. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm putting too many in. Piece of glass. No, of course not. My kingdom for a piece of glass. We'll take a stone brick upstairs. we'll make another piece of glass. Do 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 do. Nope, wrong hook. Wrong chest. Glass. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Wow, we have one piston left. That was ideal. Combustion engine. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Okay. So now that we've built our combustion engine, what else do we need to do? I don't know. Right. We've got our 2 gold gears. Oh, we need a lot more than 2 gold gears, thinking about it. We need another 2 gold gears. Oh. Well, let's take the gold bar out of there again. Take the diamonds out of there again. Stick the gold bar back in there. And the copper can go in there. The glowstone. Yeah. The uranium. Yeah. Oh, shut up, zombie. God. The iron ingots can go in there. The flowers, the mushrooms, the bone meal. And some RE batteries. Where do they need to go? Do they need to go into something? RE battery production. Lost me bearings there. RE battery can go into there. Yeah. Cool. What's it doing? I'll have a meal. I can't remember. Oh, I have forgotten. Ah, redstone. Yes, we can put the redstone in here. Douche. Okay. C for crafting. Do. Pew. Yeah, just in case you're wondering how I'm doing this, it's select the Philosopher's Stone. I've gone over this before, but you select the Philosopher's Stone and press C, and that enables you to basically have a crafting bench on you wherever you go, and I don't know why I put it away, but there you go. This is a quarry material. That can go in here. Surely. Don't want that. There we go. Yes, another die. Okay. Whoop. Put that in there. We need to make more diamonds. To make more diamonds, we will need to go upstairs. And how are we doing? Got another Alternaris fuel. Useful. Horrible sniffle. But there you go. Power's still nice and high. Got anything? No. Okay. Another diamond. Only another 7 more we need. What's this? Composite vest. Right. I don't actually know what to do with that. Because we're going to make nano armor eventually. Right, so I've got... Oh. RE batteries can go in this chest. this chest here then, I guess. Where are you? Where are you? I'll take the charge batteries because I believe we can recharge our... Maybe not. I don't know.